Where, the back there? What, right here? Beep, beep.
Bill, tell me about Dr. Scotty.
Can't you?
Yeah.
He didn't listen for her. He checked her mouth and listened to her. Then then we get a lollipop from him, from her office, from the offices. Look.
What did you tell Dr. Scotty?
I'm gonna make a snowman with his nose out, Daddy.
What?
I tell him I make a snowman and his nose out.
Oh. Did he like that?
Yeah. I like that too. Look. Waffles, Rice Krispies, and cookies and Cheerios. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like, Daddy. They will eat the pee-pee. Are you ready? Can I lay down? Head down?
Yeah.
Okay. You take the picture yet? Huh?
Yeah, do it again.
Okay. Gonna take one more picture. Stop. Stop. No. See that caterpillar to get off my shirt, Dad. Pull that caterpillar to get off my shirt, Daddy. Pull a caterpillar to get off my shirt, okay, Dad? Okay, Dad? He's really stupid. The regulators are stupid, Dad. You ready now?
What?
Ready now?
Sure.
You take a picture yet?
Yeah.
Want to do one more time?
Okay.
There's a little bird. What's that? That's a bird. A geese, huh? That's a geese.
No.
What's a bird?
Yeah.
You take it yet?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Dad? Huh?
Yeah.
Can we do one more time?
No, that's all right.
Okay, give me bye, can you, Daddy?
Know what I'm going to do, Bill?
What?
Come out here a minute where I can see you better.
What?
Stay right there. Right there. And I'm going to turn you upside down.
Why?
Well, because I think it would be fun. Do you like standing on your head?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, watch.
You can watch later. You can see yourself standing on your head. Oh, I'm going to turn you back again.
Watch. I'm going to stand with him, please.
Well, you don't stand on your head there. That could hurt you.
No, it won't.
Could.
Huh?
It might, if you're not careful.
I could do it.
Now, you know what I want to see?
What?
Big smile.
Right, strong, fighting for a shot at the last hurrah and love. Betty's Place.
Monday.